lazy. Get up and get to work. Today we're gonna be talking about 6 business modules, how you can make money as a teenager in 2023. And keep in mind, you are gonna need capital to actually start these businesses. Nothing is for free. Some will need capital, some won't need capital. Don't think anything is for free. Nothing is for free. But hey, let's get to it. Number 1, social media. What do I mean by social media? Well, social media could come in terms of Instagram account flipping, where you can start your own Instagram account, grow it and sell it. Or you can buy an account that already has a large following and sell it. That's how it works. Simple as that. Then we have Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace works in such a way that you can get any item and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. For example, my old camera. You can put this up on Facebook Marketplace, sell it for a profit. Just like that. Easy and simple. And 2, trading. Trading, the thing about trading is that it really requires your time and energy. Before you can start trading, you need to deal with your mental health first. You gotta need to know yourself and be able to handle your emotions, because trading has a lot to do with your emotions and how you handle them. So you need to be good. You need to be good first mentally before you can do it. So yeah, that's how I see trading. But trading is very easy. As you can see, I have my own forex company. Trading really, it doesn't really require much, just needs capital. I would say 500 is the best. Find the best broker. Learn. I have a go-to channel which is called the trading channel. That's the best channel on YouTube, I would say, for me personally, where you can learn trading, or you can sign up for a course from whichever mentor you want. Learn trading. Trading is the most easiest, me personally, is the most easiest and fastest way to actually make money as a teenager. But the problem is that if you're not 18, you're gonna need someone's account who's already 18 to actually sign up for it. So yeah, it's a good way of actually making money for a teenager. And number 3, dropshipping. E-commerce, the thing about e-commerce is that it's very saturated. I won't even lie to you. There's a lot of people involved, or it's been here for a while. It's been here for years, and it's not something new, something that has been around forever. You're gonna really need like a lot of time to actually get what's actually going on. Is that you find the product online, maybe from a Chinese manufacturer. You set up a website through Shopify and you promote the product on TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform. You promote the thing and then you drive traffic to your website where you get sales. So that's how dropshipping really works. Freelancing, hop on Upwork or Fiverr. So how it works, you're gonna set up your profile. After setting up your profile, you're gonna list things that you're good at, such as editing or coding or anything that you know that you're perfectly good at. And what you're gonna do, freelancing is gonna put you out there to people who actually want those people. Then they're gonna hire you. Then you're gonna work for like an hourly rate. That's actually a good way how to actually make money as a teenager, because it's smart and simple. But I think the problem is that now they've like restricted it to people above 18. Then we have YouTube. YouTube is for everyone. Anyone can do YouTube. YouTube, I feel like, is the best place because it really does like your creativity. The thing about YouTube is that you actually have to be consistent. You have to actually have a niche. So you're gonna pick a niche and actually follow it and go fully in with it. No matter what, through thick and thin, rain or fog or lightning, you actually have to stick with that niche, because now you're gonna confuse the viewers, because the viewers don't know if they're there for prank calls or they are there for like skits or they are there for like, you know. So you actually have to stick to one niche and you have to be consistent with it. Probably in a day post like 3 videos. I know that seems like a lot, but if you really want it, hey, you have to get it. And the way how YouTube works is that you actually have to have more than 1,000 subscribers. So hey, you're really trying to make that bag on YouTube. So yo, it would really mean a lot if you like hit the bells and like subscribe, because like I really work hard on these things and I really want to continue making these things for you. So like it would really mean a lot to me if you actually subscribe. So, yeah. Then we have videography or photoshopping. So how this works is that you can offer your works by, you know, if you're good at editing, such as in CapCut, you can actually edit for people, whereby if someone needs a video edited, you can tell them, yo, I offer this and this, I do this and this, and then you can make money off that. I feel like the best softwares, okay, if you don't really have a laptop, or computer. If you have a mobile phone, CapCut is the best mobile app I know that is really good at editing. And then if you have a laptop, then I would say check out Premiere Pro. But if your laptop doesn't really reach that high of requirements, I would say check out Filmora. So yeah, that's my 6 business modules.